Yeah. Moment of honesty, can we be honest please? I know you don't wanna leave, but this is no good for me. I'm trying to stick around, I don't wanna let you down, but shit is just different now. I look at you different now. You used to be the only reason that I used to wake up in the morning, the only peace to my soul when it was storming. You read my mind, it's like you knew my heart, but it's crazy how life seemed to tear us apart. I know you blamed a lot of things on the way you was raised, daddy away, mama working minimum wage, played and betrayed. This whole shit you ain't view it the same, but you said what we had was what kept you sane. Couldn't stand to be another just to walk at your life, but tell me what I'm supposed to do if you ain't treating me right. You used to pick a lot of fights cause your trust didn't work, but yo, I told you that I got you, I'm not wording enough. You had to check my phone, search my mail, who that girl? That Chantel, who Chantel? Damn, met at school, that's my friend. Well, call up and put me on the end. Slightly aggressive, you was kinda obsessive. You called it love, but I called it possessive. Not your possession, you was kinda excessive. Like a progression, call it regressive. The one worth your tears wouldn't have you crying. My friend said maybe it's him who telling lies and him who creeping, him who sneaking. So check his phone and gonna check his DMs. Swallow my pride, I put me to the side, and all along it was you the whole time. Damn, almost in time, would've been down for the ride. Through any weather, we was Bonnie and Clyde. Go out my way, break my neck. I gave my heart, split my checks. One without just to make sure you got it. You took it all and I ain't even make profit. Apologies, they never heal no wounds. Wanna forgive you, but it's harder to do. So do your thing, baby, I'ma do mine. The way you cut me on the shop and the grind is sharp in my mind. It seems like I get better with time. If I could rewind and go back to the day that I met you, I wouldn't have met you, forget you. Bitch, I'm on the come up, bitch, I'm a monster. I ride the beat like a drummer, whipping the 100, but one day I'm a whipping the Hummer. Cause bitch, I'm a stunner. You gave me a reason to stunt, reason to stunt. This shit turned me to a savage. So ain't no time to live average, nigga. This shit turned me to a savage. So ain't no time to live average. It's over. I'm sorry, I think I gotta hit you, Mike.
Oh damn.